this guard before use. Take this out, and the hole should be over here. Just be careful not to pinch your finger. So this is the part that you have to be careful. I wear gloves, so you're gonna pinch this down, which is kind of hard. Try it now. So oh, here you go. So make sure this is perpendicular. It's gonna give you a better leverage. So it's going now. Be careful. Never put your finger around this area. So I just put my hand here, and you flip this. Do the same thing. The hole is gonna be over here, right here. Take this out. Do the same thing. 90-degree over here, and just hold this like that. Yeah, it's kind of tough. Here you go. Yeah, be extremely careful. Don't get hurt. So now you're ready to strap this to your trunk. Just make sure, inspect all of these, make sure there's no damage. Looks good here, looks good here. So this is how I load my first bike here. And then just strap it down here. Like so. Do the same thing here. Strap it down. Now, I have a female bike, so basically I'm gonna have to do a little bit differently. So I'm gonna put it on the opposite side of this one. It's the men bike here. So for female bike, you're gonna actually put this incline bar here and strap it down here. Okay, and then on the other side, the straight bar here on steel here, post body, put it on this way, okay, and then strap it down like so. So I'm gonna strap it down, put it that way. It's pretty tight. Do the same thing here. That way, going out that way, and then strap it. It's pretty good. Just make sure the wheel doesn't bang here. I think it's okay. It's not very. I think it should be okay. So that's what it looks like. So I have the top hooks here on the two side here. I have the side strap here. Just make sure it is tight. On the other side, I have another one here. Just make sure you pull it, put it tight, and then the bottom here, I go underneath here and just make it tight. Let's see. And you should be all set.
โอเคพร้อมเดินทางนะคะพร้อมเดินทาง Let's go.
Yeah, the bike is sitting pretty good. Yeah, the bike is sitting pretty good. We're on the freeway right now. So far so good.